Step into a city where history speaks through the streets, and ambition climbs higher with every skyline view. Every corner holds a story, every park a breath of calm. Can you guess where we are? Walk through Centennial Olympic Park, fountains sparkling in the sun. Ride the Skyview Ferris wheel. This city stretches out beneath you. Just steps away, explore the Georgia Aquarium and the National Center for Civil and Human Rights, where powerful stories and voices echo through time. Stand in the Martin Luther King Jr. Historic District, where courage and dreams echo through time. Catch a show at the Fox Theater, a palace of lights and legends. Then stroll the Beltline or Piedmont Park, oak trees overhead, families and joggers soaking in the calm. When it comes to food, this city serves true Southern comfort: fried chicken, shrimp and grits, smoky barbecue. And don't leave without a warm, Krispy Kreme donut, a flavor that lingers like the city itself. As the sun sets, Midtown glows with lights. Rooftop bars buzz and live music spills into the streets. From Mercedes-Benz Stadium to hidden jazz lounges, this city pulses with both hustle and heart. A city of history, flavor, and unstoppable energy, where tradition meets ambition, and every street tells a story. This is Atlanta, Georgia. If this city captured your imagination, hit like, subscribe, and comment the next city you want us to explore.